everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. Today I am going to be sharing with you my March Ipsy Glam Bag. So this month I decided not to get my Glam Bag Plus. Normally for the past 3 months I have been getting both bags, but this month I decided to just get the Glam Bag. Now, as I said before, as long as I continue getting my BoxyCharm subscription, I really don't want to overwhelm myself with having too many full-size products to use all at once. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty subscription where you can receive 5 deluxe samples for $12 a month. Each month there'll be a theme, and this month's theme, of course, with International Women's Day last week, it is all about being stronger together. Now, your bag will be personalized for you based on the short quiz that you complete when you sign up, as well as the reviews that you do each month on the products you receive. So make sure to do those reviews. That way Ipsy gets to know what you like and don't like. You also each month have the opportunity to choose one of the items in your bag. So let's get into my March Glam Bag and see what I got this month. In each Glam Bag, you'll receive a card letting you know about that month's theme. This month, they didn't actually put the products on the card. They just kind of give you some more information about what this month's theme is. So I am going to need to log into my Ipsy account on my phone, and we'll be able to pull up the information on all the products there. Okay, so now that I got that, let's open up the bag and see what my first product is. First product is going to be a bag. Okay, so the first product is Sella by Celine Tradessi Seed to Skin Scrub. Ooh, natural grain polish exfoliant. So this says it's made with superfine capucine seeds to gently buff your skin surface, stimulate blood circulation, hello radiance, and boost your lymphatic system. That is interesting. With it getting into warmer weather, I've actually started using self-tanner. So this is actually going to be a great product to add to my daily beauty routine, and because I always make sure I exfoliate my skin before I apply self-tanner lotion on. So the retail value for the full size of this is $34. I am really interested in trying this out. Good first product. Okay, so the next product is Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. I was actually planning on adding retinol into my skincare routine this summer. Really wanted to see if it's actually going to really help with like my fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes and like right here, my smile line. So this would be a good first product to try. It says apply an even layer to clean skin, keeping clear of eyes and lips. So I guess I won't be able to use it on my eyes. It says to leave on overnight and then rinse off in the morning. Currently what I've been using is the Belief overnight mask, and I have been loving that. I am telling you, ever since I have added that to my skincare routine, my skin has been like baby skin soft. I love that. So this is going to have a big Cetaphil because I am in love with that Belief overnight mask. But I am going to try this out. So thank you, Ipsy. And that's one of the reasons why I love getting these samplers. It's a great way for me to try out new products. Even if I already have a product that I absolutely love in my beauty routine, it's always good to try out new products. You never know, you might find something better. And if you're not, you learn what products are out there. And for me, between having my Avon business and doing here on my YouTube and on my Instagram, I always am trying to find the best of the best, not only for my skin type, but for everyone's skin type. So that is why I love trying new products. Next is, something. Lottie London. I believe I picked this one out. I believe this was my choice item. It's an ombre blush, and I got the shade Serene. To say it's a very pretty color. Don't need to break any more makeup this week. See my Urban Decay video, you know what I mean. This looks like it would be a beautiful color to wear in spring and summertime for like a natural blushy look. I'm looking forward to trying this out. I've actually never heard of Lottie London. So, next product is... it is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner. I actually got this in my last glam bag, and I ended up using the black version of this in my latest Get Ready With Me playing with new makeup video, and I hated it. It was not a good liner. It kept drying out on me. I even tried it a couple of other times after that, and I still did not have good luck with it, and I actually ended up throwing that one out because, like I said, it kept drying out on me. So I'm just going to pass this along. I'm not even going to play with it or touch it or do anything like that. That way someone else can see if maybe they like it. So this is a disappointment. And I'm a little shocked because this is actually the first time where I have sent in a review saying I did not like a product and then me get it again. So I don't know what's going on, Ipsy, but that's a bit slack in there. Let's see. Last product is a brush. You know me, I love my brushes. I am always looking for another blending brush. I go through blending brushes like no one's business. And I only wash my brushes once a week. So this will be adding into my collection. It's from MOTD. It's the Flawless Finishing Blend. I've actually heard some incredible things about the MOTD brush brand, so I'm really interested in trying this out. So, yeah. Well, that is it. That is everything that I got in my March Ipsy Glam Bag. Overall, I will have to say it's not the best glam bag that I've gotten. In all honesty, I think it's probably the worst glam bag I've ever gotten thus far. This is my, let's see, November, December, January, February. So this is my 5th bag. And I've already gotten a bag that I really don't care for. I mean, these are probably the 2 products that I'm really interested in trying out and using. But the rest of the products, I mean, even the one I picked, I mean, this was like the best option that I could pick out of the choices. To be honest, when I saw what the choices were this month, I kind of had a suspicion that it was going to be kind of sucky this month. I don't know. It just worries me. Because for those of you who don't know or remember, but remember back in November or end of October, it was announced that Ipsy bought out BoxyCharm. And I have been keeping an eye since then to see what that is going to entail, either with BoxyCharm, with Ipsy, or with both of them. And I just find it weird that last month I ended up having, for the first time, getting products that broke on me before I could even use with BoxyCharm. And then this month with Ipsy, they sent me a liner that I've already told them I hated. Oh, I know there are tons of beauty subscriptions out there. Let me know which ones you guys love, because I'm thinking of jumping ship off of both of these and finding something else. Now it's your turn. What do you think of what I got? Do you like the products I got in my bag? If you got an Ipsy Glam Bag this month, let us know what you got and what your thoughts were. Also, speaking of all the changes that are going on, what do you guys think about the collaborator for the next Ultimate X that's coming out in May. I will admit, I was a little disappointed. I'm really not as excited as I was with the Patrick Ta announcement. Nothing against Khloe Kardashian. I actually absolutely am obsessed with Keeping Up with the Kardashian show. I have been watching it since the beginning, so trust me, I have nothing against Kardashians. I just would not have... I don't know, I guess I was expecting someone else. Oh. I will say though, I did see in a sneak peek that she is putting the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream in, which I am super excited to try because this single mom over here cannot afford Charlotte Tilbury products. So being able to get that in my box, I am all for that. But I do want to hear what you guys have to say or what you guys think about Khloe Kardashian being the next collaborator for the Ultimate X box in May. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join me here on my channel where we can share on our passion for all things beauty. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.